A little moss can cause a lot of damage. The clubs that like to situate on roofs can begin to pool, meaning the roofing material becomes eroded, damaged, and even permeable. Streamline's solution for moss-covered rooftops is the OVA8 Roof Scraper kit. This lightweight and compact roof scraper attachment for the Streamline OVA8 pole incorporates a quick change head with a load and lock feature. This allows the user to swap out the blades when changing to a new roof tile type. Made from stainless steel, the roof scraper and blades are rust resistant and extremely durable. Consisting of a variety of different blades to suit most roof tiles, the kit allows you to scrape moss and debris off of a roof with ease. And with a complete kit not even a square meter in size, your cleaning arsenal will receive a significant upgrade without compromising van space. Talk to Streamline today about whether the OVA8 Roof Scraper kit is a solution you need.